The Lancer method was developed by me probably 15 years ago, and it was started by me for the purpose of simplifying home health care for the skin from head to toe. And the method, I realize for most patients, because I'm in 100% clinical practice and I see a lot of people every day, I learned from patients that the majority of skin care is too complicated and most people don't follow it. They may buy some products, but because it's too complicated or they don't understand the reason for using them, they will not continue to use a program and therefore it won't work. So the Lancer method is simple. It's basically 3 steps. And it works well for men, women, young, old, all ancestries, ethnic groups. And it's simple because it changes the way home care is practiced altogether. There are 3 steps. There is the polishing of the skin, or exfoliation first. And that product that we call the Lancer Polish has been specifically formulated to be both a protein enzyme cleanser plus a mechanical shedding product. So it allows the skin to exfoliate or shed. And that is done first. It's done first before the Lancer cleanser is used. So there's a polish, there's a cleanse, and then there's a 3rd step, the nourishment. So in most product lines, there's always a cleanser first, then some sort of toner, and then perhaps some sort of moisturizer and sunblock. We've reversed it because the best way to treat the skin is to exfoliate first, rinse the skin, then use the botanical cleanser. It works much better that way. And then, after the skin is gently dried, then the nourish is applied. So it's polish, cleanse, nourish. It's simple, and we've had phenomenal success. The majority of patients that I see in my office, and I have around 30,000 active files or patients that come to see me, use the program, and the results are phenomenal. So some people use the method and don't need Botox or fillers or lasers or chemical peels. So it's very effective.